Hey everyone, Jonathan here from Wild Cockatiel Games, a Unity game programming for beginners. And in this series, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a clone of the game Snake, which you can see me playing here on my web browser. I think it was originally introduced on those old Nokia phones back in, the 90s probably. Anyways, it's a fairly simple game. I'm going to teach it in a very beginner-friendly way, give you some challenges along the way. I do have a Patreon account now, so for anyone who helps support me on Patreon, I'm going to have some bonus videos for you at the end of this. Everyone who is following these lectures is going to learn how to make this game in full. The Patreon subscribers will just get a little something extra at the end. I have some ideas on that, but I'd also like your help as well. So if I'm still making this course and there's something you would like to see as a Patreon subscriber, just let me know what additional features you want to see. But all the core mechanics of this game will be taught for free, so you don't have to subscribe or anything for that. Anyways, let's get started. I'll see you in the next video.